video be kasa for Trust Wallet. If recently Telegram and other platforms we know say amanfo ye scams too much for Trust Wallet. Na me channel we ankasa na amanfo bisa questions pass me video about Trust Wallet. Kwan obetimi afa so atwe sika oba withdraw sika through Trust Wallet because na my dream most because already no medical video show how so we send we also will transfer the about Binance my dick can actually but everyone says still a month for finding difficult so bet me I intimate me investigation me one and madam be alerting me so scams be say no be say there air console so we video now they alert into a kind na emergency so okay and until most la man for the donate I catch him some video about Trust Wallet or we scout Trust Wallet me want me scan and I take home. Until the video in me sure there won't be a no be so because I was send this scam out next kind of Trust Wallet ma not sure how I be first I will draw me sure step by step so bibi sa to a dear I saw ye and a dear and yes saw ye. In future mama ye no sa na scam na ye den e work into video so na different way bi o fa so o de scam ya manfo a me ni beje pa say we leave to comment no o leave o comment o leave to comment section na obi so read the comments no say oh okay and they say until next time no ni pa do so bi di bi be na obo say okay we dey me hu video intimi ma onye den on fa nyame say do mo ye ni say okay oh how so download the Trust Wallet we more follow step by step until later we more import ade bi we import ade na we so automatically no we say oh accounts no scaba beto account ni bia be $500 e bia be $1,000 we say scan doors be pre we say hono na we catch amanfo ubenye obi ha obetimi abo amatwe scam we scan me Trust Wallet we say me withdraw betimi da nimdifo akukudamfo bebre omoya ede emfa obo selector wona nipa na catch us okay obetimi a chama wa ede how you draw no more download the app you find Bexchange so Bexchange no o download you be catch us a login password username na password no the username na password no be catch us okay obetimi ma username password na se nipa no betimi a show how obetimi a fast wallet withdraw scan free or Trust Wallet size scan or Trust Wallet one for isolate like ubetimi ahwe nko a but just untimi redo scan ntini pa no betimi catch ntini pa no be catch us okay betimi a show how betimi fast wallet redo scan but before some show how be fast wallet redo scan I need to reach 100 cities another 200 cities okay before me move to the next step na yem saadi min kasa adewi ye hwe ni say obi asenu scan sky e bia be 100 million and I say 200 million no say obet sure how obet my first withdraw say nipa na no ankasa na ebia o ma we import sade no say nipa nim we are cause onu acho onimu a obet my first withdraw 200 million and 100 million I didn't know no withdraw say 200 million no catch us ebia send the mumu je kwakwa it say omo ye advert with TV so now maka say o send 100 cities they send 500 cities o send 200 cities e be send 2 billion the internet nipa no was 2 billion na I didn't know audio was 200 cities na ma was send this scan nti ni na kwakoye te say anyway no akwakoye tipenkro na yesa tipenkro aha ase omu nyina aha akwakoye the same beside ay familiar sa scam na akwakoye familiar nti se uchensi anasa wanye obi anka nkyere no ama nipa no ntufo sa ade no ho na eho na wo push scan ama nipa no who pushes come in pana ebi wo be send username ne password ba obo username ne password ni si wa hwi nc untimi redo sika na at the same time ebi wo pushes scan ama nipa na kra na ono so on fa hwe ma o de ma kra na o de ya hwi nc cause scan e wo Trust Wallet no wo de wani pe ne be hu untimi redo scan no nti se wo hwe video we na ohu say o Trust Wallet no so ska be bregum but sa procedure we na nipa na show na we import normal business can be to ma mpacho yem fan to team say o person obi withdraw USDT ma ma video about how betia fa so mo bi a reduce scam o USDT e be to Binance enim how offer so a woton USDT na ma de ba o mo ba money ntime leave this video ne dey at all nti say we use so procedure na utumu say scan or Trust Wallet no ncheska mo bia you self procedure no use self procedure no now you now find that as a scam but dem kwa nipa na cho say o import keys no na step by step na definitely no me gidi pass a scam me gidi pass video be boa say bia afi na obi de bibi say be yo anase obi de bibi say yo scam yo obetimi leave you to comment no man for say okay ya am pass bibi say work anase afi na bi obi de be yo anase wo crypto account no na bia wa dweme say o bibi say a me gidi pass a video be boa amade bia wo ye bia no obeko onim follow Tech in Tray on Facebook, YouTube, here subscribe channel no me the videos be bra me the videos a ehu hia wo Ghana ha bia wo ya de bia onim ade na wo ye no